before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Exposure minus 0.95. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 45. Whites minus 17. Blacks plus 66. Go to curve. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. And done. Go to color. Temp plus 10. Tint minus 5. Saturation minus 30. Go to grading. Shadows. Go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 32. Blending 100. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Saturation minus 52. Luminance minus 17. Go to orange color. Saturation plus 21. Luminance plus 8. Go to yellow color. Hue minus 57. Saturation minus 63. Luminance plus 10. Go to green color. Hue minus 46. Saturation minus 41. Luminance plus 35. Go to blue color. Hue minus 3. Saturation minus 34. Luminance minus 8. Go to purple color. Saturation minus 40. Go to magenta color. Saturation minus 35. And done. Go to effects. Clarity plus 12. Slide down. Grain 15. Size 35. Roughness 35. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 60. Radius 1.5. Detail 40. Masking 30. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.